Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If you are facing Roblox error code 524, don't worry about it. In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step. First, click on the setting icon and go to the settings. And first, your account should be verified from mobile number and email ID, and also verify the after verifying is so option here privacy. If your account is under 13 years old, you may have a limited access to the certain game or server due to the Roblox privacy and safety setting. Adjust the privacy setting, go to the privacy and ensure your account settings allow joining server others. Set who can join me in the experience to everyone if possible. If this method is not working, then join the public server or check server availability or log out and login back. Click on the logout and login back again. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.